Mars bars, tea scones. So obviously I'm using Mars bars. So this is the recipe. So the ingredients are self-raising soda bread flour, sugar, eggs, and I'm using a Mueller light caramel yogurt. You can use any yogurt you want or just use buttermilk, and butter. So the first thing that I will do, I'll take the self-raising soda bread flour, the sugar and the butter and mix them all together until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. So that's your recipe there. So this is the flour, sugar and butter mixed until they're like fine breadcrumbs. So while that was mixing, I took the 2 eggs and the yogurt and I made it up to half a pint. I did put a little drop of milk in it as well, so it's quite thick. The other thing that I have here is the 2 Mars bars, which I had chopped previously and I put them in the freezer. So they need to be frozen just like the raspberries and the raspberry and white chocolate scones. So they're frozen. So now I'm going to add the butter, yogurt, or the buttermilk, yogurt and egg to the flour mixture. And just let it all mix until so that's it all mixed together. And as a rule of thumb, I let it mix until I see no flour mixture left on the bowl. So now I will tip it out onto a flour board or worktop and I'll knead in the frozen Mars bar. So that's ready for the Mars bar to go in. And I not use it, I press it out a bit and tip the Mars bars on top of it and just work them into the mixture and cut them out then pretty thick with, I like this size of a cutter, but it's up to yourself. So that's them ready to cut out and I'm cutting them out pretty thick. And I'll probably get about a dozen out of this mixture. So that's them ready to go into the oven. I did get a dozen out of it and I'm going to put them into the oven. I've set the oven at around 170, 180 and I'm going to put them on for about 18 minutes and see how they turn out. This is the first time I've made these, so they should be alright. So that's the scones just out of the oven. Now because I put in 2 chopped Mars bars, there's plenty of Mars bar. As you can see, it has oozed out. If you want to use a wee bit less Mars bar, it's up to you, but to get that flavour. And I'm just going to take them off and leave them to cool slightly. And then I'm going to, you can eat them like this, but I'm going to put a wee bit of chocolate caramel over them.